And lastly, who are your heroes today? Like, I know it's your dad to begin with, it's your family, it's your people that you work with. But do you look up to someone, like, let's say in your own industry, who have done some miracles according to you, and you would like to, create something following those footsteps?
As I said, till now, I think the best person we have idolized till now was APJ Abdul Kalam, because he for me was uh, you know was embodying the life of simple living and high thinking.
Epitome
Right.
of Indian space also at the same time.
Yes. Personally, in my life, I idolize my spiritual guru, who is Srila Prabhupada.
Okay.
His story is also very fascinating. That how with just 40 rupees he went on a ship to US, and then established more than 108 temples all around the world, living a very simple life, right, throughout,
Service to
and
humanity.
service to humanity. So I think these two people I idolize a lot. Current
Space vertical.
space vertical, I think one very good inspiration I got reading from reading Elon Musk biography. One particular sect which I liked a lot was solving problems from first principles. Because at one point of time I also had this lot of confusion that being a mechanical engineer, there are so many different verticals. Even a propulsion system, you won't believe, Manastu, 70% of chemical engineers chemistry.
Yeah.
And coming from mechanical background, it becomes super headache too. Right. So to realize this fact and live that fact, that there are just problems and solution to those problems. All these other things like electrical, mechanical, chemical, all these things are just conditioning of the mind. So that is solving principles on the first principle only. I still apply the concepts which I apply in my 11th, 12th.
So it has to be basic.
It has to be
simple.
very basic, very simple.
Yeah.
So that is one part of my life which I learned from Elon Musk a lot.
अभी रिसेंटली सुनीता विलियम्स जी को और मिस्टर विल्मोर बच विल्मोर को वापस लाया गया है स्पेसएक्स की क्रू 9 स्पेसक्राफ्ट में, एंड आई थिंक क्रू 10 ने जिम्मेदारी वहाँ पे अपनाई है
राइट
आईएसएस में, इंटरनेशनल स्पेस स्टेशन में.
राइट
व्हाट डज इट मीन फॉर इंडियंस ओवर हियर? आई थिंक उनके जो गुजरात में जो गांव है, जो उनका जो रिलेटिव और नेटिव गांव है, वहाँ पे लोग सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं. एज अ फाउंडर, एज समवन हु इज बिल्डिंग दिस वर्टिकल, व्हाट डज इट मीन टू टू यू, to you as a community? How big is it? Because I think it was the first time a private player got docked with the ISS, right?
No. Before, SpaceX has demonstrated earlier also.
Okay,
Yeah.
but I think this was one of
This was Sunita Williams.
yeah.
This was the longest stay
Yeah.
with Sunita Williams.
because it was supposed to be a 10-day thing. 10 दिन के लिए गए थे,
हाँ.
वापस आना था, but
Right.
कि I think Boeing का जो
There was thruster miss again.
propulsion systems यानी कि वही जो चीज सैटेलाइट को मैन्यूवर करे, उसको डायरेक्शन दिखाए, थ्रस्ट दे,
Exactly.
तो उसमें कुछ खराबी होने के कारण वो 10 दिन, अब 10 महीने हो गए, करीबन 286 दिन हो गए.
286 days.
Yeah.
I think. So second longest stay in space.
Exactly. And the first woman to actually have the most spacewalk time. Currently, she has it.
Right.
So, how much this means? Like, technologically, ये कितना बड़ा एक step था to bring someone.
So we have, it's not unheard of in people like NASA doing it, but what was something amazing that a private company like SpaceX is doing, sending astronauts, bringing down astronauts. And that also has a very interesting story, that how first time Elon Musk went to the Russians for buying a rocket, and then they laughed him out, and it's a very inspiring story. So
And I think, in fact, even Boeing made a statement regarding it, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So it's amazing, what these guys are doing. And matlab, I think he's pushing the limits of humanity in every field, whether it's AI, whether it's space, whether it's neural networks. You tell the field in, he's pushing.
Yeah.
So as one of the ISRO scientists was telling, that he's something which has happened to the world, and which is never going to happen again. So obviously hats off to the achievements they have done. Yeah.
And I think at the end of the day, I think you just make sure that everyone expresses, including him. Just express whatever you're trying to do. All right. How did you feel, Ashtesh? How was this?
It was great.
All right. Perfect.
Yeah.
And I had fun. I had the best learning. And I think when you spoke about spirituality and you expressed your wisdom through it, your life experiences, मेरे पॉडकास्टिंग जीवन का, और मैं कहने के लिए नहीं कह रहा हूँ, सबसे खूबसूरत लम्हा था वो. I think
Thank you.
The way it touched me and the way it answered मेरे खुद के कुछ सवाल मेरे जीवन में जो हो रहे हैं, I think बहुत कुछ सुकून मिला, बहुत समझदारी मिली. So thank you so much. This is the Manastu Space Podcast, Space for All Mankind. मेरा नाम है राज श्रीवास्तव, और आज के मेरे मेहमान थे हमारी co-founder and CTO, Chief Technical Officer, श्री आशीष कुमार जी.
Thank you.
नमस्ते।